Is it? I wasn't on there before.
Is that?
I need to read the instructions.
Let me see if I figure it out. Power is this.
Okay, so which one?
Wow! Look at that look.
You gotta look.
Is it a fire truck?
Yeah,
He
huge
loves
fire truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I didn't hear anybody say thank you to Aunt Sarah either.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Thank you, Aunt Sarah.
Aunt Sarah.
Good shot.
Where the hockey game?
Good, because your other one was getting too small, huh?
What's name on it? Is there a name
No,
on
it's
the
not.
back?
It's a jersey.
Let's see what's on the back.
See it. Pick it up.
Hold it up.
Oh, whose number?
Hold it like this.
Oh boy,
Here,
Claude Giroux.
hold on this
He's the
picture.
best.
Show me, Matthew.
He's their best player, Claude Giroux.
Matthew,
What do you
let me
say?
take a picture with your camera.
Should I go?
Yep,
Do you want to put it on?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Here,
Good one.
have Grandma put it on for you.
I can put it
She's
on.
right there.
Let me see, Matthew, can you show me one more?
What's in there?
I think that is yours.
You want to try it on?
Show me.
Oh, a new one. Good.
Oh, wow.
The pink one? Oh.
Okay, good job.
Ava, that's a size 4. That's the next size up. You'll start playing with size 4 soon.
You want to put it on? Grandma's going to help you.
Let me take the tags off.
Not much longer.
I figured they had these.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that's perfect because we don't have any 4s yet.
Over the head first. And the arms. Perfect.
Picture. Smile for me.
Wow, look great, buddy.
You just have to pull the sleeves up a little.
Just pull the sleeves up and it'll be great. There you go.
Can you smile, Matthew? Matthew, smile. Matthew, smile.
Oh, you found these?
Okay, here, wait. We'll
What is that, eh? I missed that one. Strinky Dinks? Whoa.
Oh, Disney ones. Look at that.
color me.
Disney ones, Abe.
So you can play. There you go.
I love
I wanna
the
play
Shrinky
with
Dinks
Shrinky Dinks.
are such good winter craft
I didn't know they
projects.
still had Shrinky Dinks.
They're hard to find, or they used to be when I was looking for them. But they're just a good craft. Like, they're not messy. They're easy.
You want a video me?
Ava,
Okay,
can I
I'm going to teach you how to use it. You want to
Yes.
go to this button.
Says-
That button is
sun
where you see
catcher.
all the
Sun
things that
catcher.
you've done, the pictures and the videos.
When Aunt Sarah comes back,
Yep,
she's
and
coming
you
to your
move,
house
move
to
it over. It's
play.
not
Yeah.
touch screen. You move it over with this
We'll
one.
save
That's
some to do with
games.
Aunt Sarah.
So if you want to go to videos, just you have to
For with the first time you babysit.
you go over. That's the camera.
Save some.
That one is the movie. So you hit OK.
Well, those are
Nice.
pretty.
You don't press
Those
it.
are
You hit
cool.
OK. And then if you press this button, you start filming. You have to start it.
You did well, didn't you, Andrew?
What's that?
Cool. You make pot holders. The things that you learn, Ava, that mommy needs to touch hot things out of the oven.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I like
Those are
things.
pot holders.
Button again.
I just got all that stuff that I thought was fun.
Yeah.
You can make
But
them.
you make them so you can pick your colors and stuff.
We'll put this on the other side.
Ava.
The big box if we
Press the
want.
button to stop it.
I can help you get through.
Hi, Grandma.
As long as you use those, they protect your hands.
Put that up over on the other side, will you?
What is he doing?
Mommy.
He's doing a video.
The roof, hold on.
Now press the button to stop it. I want to show you something else. Okay, look.
The roof.
Now I want to show you. If you want
Yeah.
this little paintbrush, if you go over it, you can
Well, we can't do it this second.
Those are hard, Ava.
Yeah, we don't want beads to come out.
play with this.
That one's got a lot of
I think Uncle Matt should get a big hug.
Put a frame.